I can't believe it, after all this time, it moves on its own. I traded my old buddy Travis Brown a couple old Pinto dirt track cars for this thing back in the early 90s, and it's the first time it's had a motor in it or moved since then. I can't believe after all these years we've got this thing going. Head out of the garage and back. I gotta make sure I don't have overheating issues. I think my radiator cap on my brand new radiator is bad because it's trying to get hot and it's not hot. I don't understand. We got something going on with that, so I had to get that figured out. But that's why we're doing all this shakedown stuff, because there's no way that thing's hot. Because I mean, I can touch it. Now, these are hot, but the radiator stuff's not hot. So I think I got a bad radiator cap. Well, it went out of the shop and came back into the shop on its own power, and I like the way it sets now. I'm really happy with the stance of the car now.